Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola ThinkPhone 25, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So, to get started, hold the power button and volume up at the same time, which brings up our boot options, and in here just select power off. Now this will obviously turn off the device. When it's off, hold the power button and the volume down at the same time. And when you see this page right here, you can let go of both of them. Now, this is kind of labeled as a Fastboot mode. If I bring it closer, you will be able to see the red text. Right here, the literally first one, Fastboot. So this is labeled technically as Fastboot mode, but it's also labeled as Bootloader. And just to kind of showcase this, if I select restart Bootloader, it brings me back here. So I'm going to show you another Fastboot mode if this one isn't doing the job. So using volume buttons, we're going to select recovery mode and then press power button to confirm it. When you see this page, hold power button, and while holding it, press volume up once. And this will redirect us to the recovery mode. Here, just like before, again, use volume buttons to navigate, and this time around, you just want to select Enter Fastboot and confirm it with the power button. And this is a dedicated Fastboot mode. There's no doubt in that one. It's literally labeled at the very top. Now, just like before, you will need to use volume buttons to navigate through the options, as we have a couple. Again, you can kind of see due to the brightness, and I can bring it up closer. You can see it just a little bit in some of the options right here. So there we go. Now I will go quickly over these options. So we have a reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. We have enter recovery mode, which brings us back to the previous page. Reboot to bootloader. That was the first page we have seen after turning off the device. And then we have power off. Now I'm going to stick with the first one, confirm it with the power button. So reboot system now. And like I mentioned before, this just brings me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.